Listen to that. Listen to that. He's wrecking me. Yes, sir. Oh, that's great. Off she goes. Hello, good people. My name's Dale.
And my name is Theresa. And on this episode of Adventures of Teats, we're on the hunt for gigantic migratory striped bass in the Mid-Atlantic on the very last day of 2021. We achieved 3 milestones, and we are going to share with you our
Number 1, top secret tip for catching monster fish.
But before we get to the tip, let's talk about the milestones. The first milestone was a combination of many, many casts for this fisherwoman, and I gotta tell you, it made my year. So Theresa, tell them what you did.
Well, I caught and released my personal best striped bass. It was unforgettable, on light tackle, an extraordinary experience. Our second milestone was we took the best day ever, our Sportsman Bay boat, out fishing on the ocean, and it proved very seaworthy.
For our third and final milestone, it really made this video possible, and that's very simply that we were able to locate the migratory schools of striped bass in the vast expanse of the Atlantic Ocean.
Now let's get this adventure started and share with you our number 1 top secret tip for catching
Monster fish!
Why'd you do that? What? You don't do that, dude. That's not good. What is it? All right, dude.
Number 1, top secret tip for catching monster fish.
I'm a big believer. These acts of kindness to our environment give us the big fish. Now, I'm not saying that that's gonna happen today, but I think this increased my odds a little bit. You know what I'm saying?
I don't know.
How you feel?
I mean, that's good.
You're busting a fish off within 3 drops. That's your 3rd drop. Oh, you're so cute, little guy.
So gross. Okay. Not difficult.
Apparently they got, see that barb down there?
Careful up.
Bye, buddy.
Number 1, top secret tip for catching monster fish.
Get it?
And we have balloon.
Let's see it.
Yep, that's the number 1, all right.
That is the number 1. It's been out there for a little bit. No big deal. We're here to clean it up. This will hopefully get us a fish. Dukes is on a fish. Look at that fish, Dukes. Yeah, mama. Look at that fish. Wow, dude, that's a monster. All right, this is no different than any other time when we land a fish, all right?
Be a 40-inch.
Oh, it's a 42, 44-inch fish, Mama Dukes. Oh, yeah. Yep, walk through if you can. Very good. There we go. Oh, Dukes, look at that.
What do I do? Holy cow.
Dukes, how freaking awesome is that?
It's so big!
It's a monster.
I can hardly hold it.
Monster fish.
Ready?
Dukes, look in the camera. It's a massive fish.
Holy cow. Go, go, go. Yay!
Here she goes. Off she goes. Dukes, come on. Come on.
Yeah, I'm all slimy. High
Come on,
five.
get up. Get up.
Okay.
Hell yeah. Dukes again. Biggest freaking fish of your life. That's a 40-inch rockfish, okay?
Yes.
Yeah. How awesome do you feel right now?
I have so much adrenaline pumping.
You want to
through
talk
me.
about how you caught that thing?
I was, okay. I actually felt bottom, which was awesome because I did not, it's hard sometimes. I jig in, you know,
Yeah.
I can't even talk because I have so much adrenaline.
Yeah, and then what happened?
And
Were you dead on bottom when it hit, or was it?
I was on bottom, and then I'm just kind of working it.
Yeah.
And then I just felt a little tug, and I tugged back, and then it just, I knew it. I knew
Fight
it.
was on. We're good to go. We got it captured. Hell yeah. Awesome, Dukes. And there's still big slugs of fish down there, look.
Yeah.
Whew. Sight them there. I am freaking juiced right now. We've got birds working the surface on top of really big fish out here. And it is just something else. Here we go. We're back on them. We might stop running here in a second and try jigging. Yeah, we're probably gonna want to do that here soon.
What is all that? See all those little speckles?
Yeah, they could be rocks or fish. Yeah, we're in them now. We're gonna go ahead.
Drop it?
Yeah, yep. You're gonna want to go ahead and do that for sure.
Throw it on launch or drop it?
Whatever you want to do. 34 feet. They are down there, Dukes. I'm on. I'm on for sure, yep. Oh, yeah. Oh, you can't beat this for $1 million. You just can't beat it. Woo! Oh, that's a big fish. Yes. Thank you, fish gods. You rock. Thank you. You made this trip awesome. Me and the Dukes got to get a pair of fish. Thank you, fish gods. All right, there it is. Oh, yeah. Thank you, fish gods. Yes.
Monster fish.
There you go, baby.
There she goes.
There you go, baby.
Nice.
Whew! Perfect. All right, let's find these fish again. Tons of them. Everywhere.
Oh, fish on.
Fish on?
Fish on.
Is it a big one?
Decent.
Yeah.
Not huge, but he's decent.
It's not huge, just a little kind of medium
I mean, he's definitely bigger than the...
Can I, I'll help you. I'm just gonna reel this in real quick. I'm gonna chug it and see if we can get a doubler. Oh, there's a big fish right behind you. Nice, Dukes. Oh, wow, okay.
He ran that way.
No, that's perfect. All right, reel him in. And give me this. Yep. All right, now I need you to reel down to him so that it's all leader up here. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So reel down. Yep. Okay. It's all good.
How you feeling there?
Oh, dude, it's the best day ever. The best day ever. It's a nice rockfish we got on here. Big fish. It's close. Yeah.
One man, one set of photographs. One fish.
Ooh, one set of waves. At an inopportune time. Oh, that's a huge fish. Look at that thing. Can I do something to help you?
Nope. He'll tire now.
Man, another beast. So pretty too, right?
All right. You want to get a quick photo? Look at that right into the mouth. Beautiful.
I think I had it down there the whole time.
Monster fish.
Off she goes. Away she goes.
Are you doing to measure it out?
Nah, I ain't worried about that. Thank you, baby. Yeah. All right, let's get more. Crushed it today, Dukes.
We sure did.
We crushed it. I think we totally found a fish today. And then like 30 boats came. It was so awesome, actually, because I know I rolled up on 30 boat stacks before and caught a fish. That's what I did yesterday.
Well, we were the first ones today.
Yep.
We found
It's
the
nice
fish.
I call that paying it forward on the fishing tip. So I loved it, and a lot of people caught fish that were around us. That was so good. It was so great. Like,
Was.
amazing. Anyways, that's pretty much how the trip goes. We might catch 1 or 2 more fish, but that's how we ended 2021. It was a perfect day, right?
Number 1. Top secret tip for catching monster fish.